5 reasons to use Thermal Shield RF coating on your roof. Number 1. Thermal barrier. STS RF reflects up to 92% of UV rays and 90% of infrared rays, reducing roof temperature by up to 45% and saving energy. Number 2. Waterproofing. STS RF coating forms an excellent protection against water penetration. It forms a tough, flexible, and durable seamless waterproofing layer. Number 3. Corrosion protection. When applied to steel substrates, Seal Thermal Shield's corrosion inhibitors convert iron oxide to iron phosphate, preventing further corrosion. Number 4. Environmentally friendly. Seal Thermal Shield is classified as environmentally friendly and contains very few volatile organic compounds (VOC). Number 5. Avoids roof replacement and 10-year warranty. STS RF will breathe new life into your roof. Avoid costly roof replacements by using Seal Coatings roofing systems for a fraction of the cost of a full roof replacement. Seal Coatings offers a 10-year warranty when installed by certified Seal Coatings technicians. Stay relaxed, 4 years to come. Seal Coatings. Simplicity in innovation.